This brand offers dedicated horizontal units and feature louvered panel construction, which does a superior job of protecting the condenser coil from hail and debris from lawnmowers. They have durable scroll compressors with variable speed blower motors for efficient operation. The units use all aluminum evaporator coils which resist corrosion, but they use R-410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R-32. They offer optional electric heat kits in sizes from 5 to 20 kilowatts, and the units are backed by a good warranty, but it does not include total unit replacement in case of compressor failure, which has become the industry standard. They are relatively loud in operation with sound levels of up to 80 decibels, even though they have compressor sound blankets. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.